Imagine a beauty product that harnesses the magic of nature, a secret ingredient that's been under our noses all along. This secret is not spun from the laboratories of a high-tech skincare company, but rather it's been quietly lurking in the shadows of the garden: snail mucin. Yes, you heard it right, snail mucin. This unique ingredient is revolutionizing the skincare industry, turning heads and raising eyebrows in the process. Now, before you squirm, let's talk about how this special ingredient is sourced. The process is quite fascinating. Snails are placed in a dark, safe environment for 30 minutes. During this time, they produce this precious mucin, a substance packed with beneficial properties for our skin. The best part? This process is done without causing harm or distress to the snails, so rest assured our little garden friends are safe and sound. But what makes snail mucin so special? It's brimming with proteins, elastin, and glycolic acids, components that help rejuvenate and repair our skin. It's like a little miracle worker right from nature's backyard. And it's this very ingredient, snail mucin, that is the unique selling point of our featured product. A product that takes this natural wonder and transforms it into a skincare solution that's suitable for all skin types, even the most sensitive ones. It's about embracing the beauty of nature and infusing it into our daily skincare routine. So the next time you think about skincare, think about the humble snail and the secret ingredient it carries. Snail mucin, an unexpected but powerful ingredient, is the star of the show in our featured product. Now, you might be thinking, snail mucin, really? Well, you'd be surprised at the wonders it can do for your skin. So what's the big deal about snail mucin? For starters, it's packed with nutrients like hyaluronic acid, glycoprotein enzymes, antimicrobial peptides, and copper peptides, all of which are known for their skin-loving properties. It's essentially a cocktail of all the good stuff your skin craves. One of the major benefits of snail mucin is its hydrating effects. Hyaluronic acid, a natural component of our skin, is abundant in snail mucin. It's a superstar at retaining moisture, making your skin feel plump and hydrated. No more dry, flaky skin. But that's not all. Snail mucin is also a powerhouse when it comes to skin repair. Those glycoprotein enzymes we mentioned earlier, they facilitate the regeneration of damaged skin cells, helping to heal acne, fade scars, and even out your skin tone. It's like a little repair kit for your skin. Now let's talk about anti-aging. Snail mucin is rich in antioxidants which fight off harmful free radicals that cause premature aging. It also boosts the production of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. In other words, it's a natural wrinkle fighter. And the best part? Snail mucin is suitable for all skin types. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, or sensitive skin, snail mucin can be a game changer. It's gentle enough for the most sensitive skin, yet effective enough to tackle skin issues across the board. So, if you're in search of a skincare product that hydrates, repairs, fights aging, and is universally suitable, look no further than snail mucin. It might just be the secret ingredient your skin has been longing for. No matter your skin type, snail mucin could be the missing ingredient in your skincare routine. Now let's delve into the spotlight product that brings you the power of snail mucin, the COSRX Snail Mucin, 96% power repairing essence. This is more than just a beauty product, it's a skincare solution that's been carefully developed to address individual skin conditions. The COSRX Snail Mucin, 96% power repairing essence is a product that embodies the COSRX brand's philosophy of promoting self-confidence through healthy skin. This essence is a testament to COSRX's commitment to quality and effectiveness. Now what sets this essence apart is its formulation. It's packed with a whopping 96% snail secretion filtrate. You heard it right, 96%. This high concentration ensures that you're getting the maximum benefits of this wonder ingredient, snail mucin, in every drop of the essence. The remaining 4% is a blend of other skin-nourishing ingredients that work in harmony with the snail mucin, enhancing its effects and delivering a comprehensive skincare solution. The Snail 96 Mucin Essence is suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin, this essence can be a great addition to your skincare routine. It's been tested and proven to be gentle on sensitive skin, so you can use it with confidence. How do you use it, you ask? It's simple. After cleansing and toning your skin, apply a small amount of the essence on your face. Pat it gently into your skin until it's fully absorbed. The essence works best when it's part of a consistent skincare routine, so make sure to use it regularly for the best results. the COSRX Snail. 96 Mucin Essence is a game changer, revolutionizing the way we think about skincare. It's a product that doesn't just promise results, but delivers them. With its high concentration of snail mucin and its commitment to quality and effectiveness, the COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Essence is a skincare product that truly stands out. So, are you ready to experience the power of snail mucin? Are you ready to give your skin the care it deserves with the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence? Let's take a moment to recap the magic of this exceptional product. Imagine treating your skin with a product that's formulated with 96% snail secretion filtrate, a natural and potent ingredient that's been celebrated for its remarkable skin rejuvenating properties. This essence is more than just a skincare product. It's a solution tailored to individual skin conditions. It's a testament to COSRX's commitment to promoting self-confidence through healthy, radiant skin. The COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence is suitable for all skin types, even the most sensitive ones based on rigorous testing. It's designed to hydrate, repair, and rejuvenate your skin like no other. Remember, every drop of this essence carries the promise of a healthier, more vibrant complexion. It's the result of meticulous research and a profound understanding of skincare needs. It's about time you introduced your skin to the transformative power of snail mucin. Now, you might be wondering where to get your hands on this skincare marvel. The answer is simple. Purchase from the authorized seller, COSRX Inc. This ensures you're getting the genuine article, a product crafted with the utmost care and authenticity. The thousands of positive reviews and ratings are a testament to the product's effectiveness. But don't just take their word for it. Experience it for yourself. Take the plunge and make the COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Essence a part of your skincare regimen. Give your skin the gift of snail mucin with the COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence. Click the link in the description below to purchase yours today and join the skincare revolution. Your skin will thank you.